Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to book a hotel in booking.com. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for booking.com. So let's get into it. Make sure you are logged into it. Now here we can see this search bar over here. Simply search for the location and the details where you would like to book a hotel and select the date and click on done. Now let's click on search. Now we can see various hotels and choose the hotel as per your requirements. So let's go for this one. Now simply click on reserve for tonight. Reserve over here. After which you need to make the payment. Once the payment is done, the hotel room will be booked. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.